Well, hello din mga ka-friendship. Welcome back and welcome din sa inyo na bago sa aking channel. Please do subscribe for good and pakiclick na rin yung bell button para lagi kayong updated kapag may bago akong videos. Okay, so mga ka-friendship, today's video is an unboxing/review ng Samsung Galaxy phone which claims to offer high-end experience without breaking the bank. So keep on watching mga ka-friendship and let's find out together kung totoo nga yung kanyang claims. But before that, let me tell you yung mga features na nagustuhan ko sa phone na ito. The Galaxy A71 is a pleasure to hold and to use. Kasi kahit malaki siya, it is sleek and light and hindi siya slippery. Lalo na kapag ka nakasuot yung kanyang silicone case. Nag-stick siya sa fingertips kaya hindi siya basta-basta nahuhulog. And what's fun sa device na to is it comes in different, striking, and beautiful colors. I got mine in Prism Crush Blue with 128 gigabytes. Ayan siya guys. And yung pattern sa back cover ng phone na ito gives a rainbowish, just beautiful color when hit with a light. I really love the design and display. The design is slim and beautiful, and it comes with a very excellent display at 6.7 inches, and napaka-vivid ng kanyang colors and very detailed. For the camera naman mga ka-friendship, it has 32 megapixels na selfie camera, and yung main camera niya sa likod has 64 megapixels, and the rest of the camera, kasi it has 4 sa likod, so yung 2 is 12 megapixel and another 12 megapixel. All the cameras captures a very vivid and very detailed photos and videos. And ito pa ang napakagandang feature ng A71 phone. Napakaganda, napakaklaro ng kanyang audio call and video call. Napaka-smooth. Meron din itong in-display fingerprint sensor. And true to its claims guys, it really doesn't break the bank. I only bought this for 1,499 NIS or shekels. So ito na yung ating unboxing. And here is the Samsung Galaxy A71 specifications. This was released last January 17, 2020 with 128GB storage micro SD-XC. Network technology GSM, HSPA, and LTE with body dimensions of 6.44 by 2.99 by 0.30 inches and weighs 179 grams. It is built with glass front Gorilla Glass 3 with plastic back and plastic frame with single SIM and dual SIM. The package contents includes the device, the USB power adapter, USB cable, earphones, ejection pin, quick start guide, and free silicone case if you're lucky, because in some countries they do not have it. The network technology of the device are GSM, HSPA, and LTE. The body is built with glass front, Gorilla Glass 3, plastic back, plastic frame with single SIM and dual SIM. And it weighs 179 grams with a display type Super AMOLED Plus and display size at 6.7 inches and at the display resolution of 1080 by 2040 pixels. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for display protection. This features Android 10 One UI 2.5 as operating system. It features LED flash, panorama, and HDR. A71 device has quad camera with the main camera at 64 megapixels, ultra-wide at 12 megapixels, macro at 5 megapixels, and depth at 5 megapixels. It also features a selfie camera HDR at 32 megapixels. Mobile communications are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, radio, and USB. It also features fingerprint sensors which is under display optical and compass interoperability. The battery type of charging is a fast charging 25-watt Li-ion, non-removable. And for the sound, it also has 3.5mm jack and loudspeaker. All device models comes in different colors: Prism Crush Black, Prism Crush Silver, Prism Crush Blue, and Prism Crush Pink.